Interesting takeaway, watching the FIFA World Cup qualifiers. You have South Africa, you have Egypt, who are currently sitting on top of their groups and are in the edge of qualification, to the FIFA World Cup. Then you're looking at Tunisia and Morocco, who have already qualified for the next FIFA World Cup 2026. What's the common factor or common denominator amongst those four countries? FIFA Club World Cup. We are looking at Mamelodi Sundowns, which was able to go and represent South Africa in the FIFA Club World Cup. We are looking at Al Ahly, which has went on to represent Egypt, and Esperance with Tunisia, White Hart for Morocco, which is a very interesting takeaway. It's something that's actually good. It means we are able to take some players from our own leagues in actuality, slot them into our national teams, and drive our African football. Hence, you'd see some of these nations doing well, and I'm glad to see such nations doing well. It shows patterns of consistency, patterns of continuity. Just comparing those two tournaments, FIFA Club World Cup and the World Cup. It's a very, very interesting takeaway that I've just noticed, and I'm liking it. But it has been very, very interesting qualifiers. 2 more games to play. It's gonna be interesting who goes through, who doesn't go through. Namibia have tried their best, currently sitting second. I think they look good. They look good. I think they can probably have a good run, in the playoffs. You are looking at what do you call this team? You're looking at Madagascar also has impressed. Crazy how Madagascar has impressed me. Also currently sitting second. So a lot of teams. Oh, Cape Verde sitting first. One more win for Cape Verde. Cape Verde is going to the FIFA World Cup buffet. So I think it's for the first time that they're qualifying for the World Cup, which has been interesting. They've held it down in their group. They've fought. Cameroon are following them behind. One more win for Cape Verde and they are through, to the World Cup stage. Very, very interesting to some people, for obvious reasons. But yeah,